Hello, welcome to Digital Photography from the pioneers of creative education. This Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit introduces the children to various digital photography and image editing activities that help them showcase the creative, communication, logical and reasoning skills and also demonstrate a high level of ability to focus. The various digital activities that are part of this kit train children in image editing software application, thus enabling children to enhance the visuals and make the impossible possible. The fully loaded age-appropriate toolkit comes in a stylish multi-utility backpack that houses drawing and painting materials, craft materials, model making materials, electronic components, other supporting materials, multilingual video tutorials for barrier-free learning in SD card, iOS and Android platforms. A content-rich book with step-by-step instructions. Using this toolkit, the children will be able to perform 17 digital photography and image editing activities that help them create caricature bookmarks, product packages, posters, photo comics, stereoscopic images, portfolio albums, and a lot more. Also, they get the opportunity to explore different photography techniques like high-speed photography, levitation photography, product photography, and miniature photography. In addition, they also learn to integrate electronic components to create a glowing pop-up card. The digital photography activities enable children to build visual presentation skills, create cubes from given nets, create patterns by tiling a figure, appreciate family values, identify the family members of their extended family, create collages and manipulate photographs, create simple models, use photographs for visual storytelling, design and create packages, record observations and experiences through art and photography, draw designs by using local materials, create an electronic circuit. Imageminds Creative and IQ Development Kit is the best thing that you can help your child reach their full creative potential. So what are you waiting for? Grab the kit today.